Protect TCI.
Hi guys, customer dropped this TV today. It's a 32-inch Samsung. What happened is when you plug it in, you can see the red light on, but when you press it, nothing happened. Let me show you what it do. You can see here the red light is on, but when you press the button it's supposed to change to blue, but nothing happened. I'm going to open it to check the power supply or the main board, try to repair them. If I can get them repaired, so I have parts for it, I just change them. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I get the voltage good. I need 14 volt and the 5 volt. I know I get the 5 volt, the standby light on, but what I'm trying to get now is trying to get is the 13 volt. Okay, I have the 5 volt and the 13 volt. I know the problem is in the main board, so I'm gonna change the main board to see if that fixes the problem. Okay, I get the new board. This is the old one right there, and that's the new one. So I'm gonna install it to see and to remove this. Okay, finish replace it. My sound, yes. Yeah, so the problem was the main board, and I had it, so I just replaced it. As you can see, the TV is back and running. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, don't forget to like, and also click on the bell button. See you next time.